Welcome, one and all, my beautiful people, to D Dawn Kitchen. Today, guys, D Dawn will be making Christmas fruit cake. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoy today's recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, and share this video with a friend of a friend. And to all my YouTuber, supporter, follower, and subscriber, a very big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. 1 cup of sugar, and we'll be using half and half. So it's half cup of G sugar and half cup of dark sugar. 1 cup of butter. The butter have to be at room temperature. 2.5 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon cinnamon powder. 2 teaspoon of mixed spice. 4 eggs. 2 teaspoon of lime juice, and half teaspoon of the lemon or the lime zest. This is a lime. 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. 2 teaspoon vanilla. 1 teaspoon rose water. 1 teaspoon almond. Flavor. Half cup of wine and 1/4 cup of overproof white rum. Here I have some fruit soaking. I already done a video how to soak the fruit, and this is natural fruit. It's a natural fruit with papaya, the melon skin, and American apple. And I also combine it with some processed fruit like the currant, raisin, prunes, and mixed peel. So this is my natural fruit. So check out my video on how to make your own fruit for baking for any occasion: wedding, Christmas, anniversary, you name it. Also, I have some walnut in it. This is a walnut. So check out my videos and see how to make your fruit for baking. I'm just gonna use like about 3 cups of this natural fruit with the natural fruit. 3 cups. Look at the papaya. And you need your baking tin. Here I'll be using an 8 by 3 baking tin, or 20 by 7.5 centimeter. You need a grease paper, you need a mixer, you need a bowl, you name it. So 1 cup of butter, and you're gonna put it in your bowl, and you're gonna pour your sugar in. And we will be creaming the butter and the sugar together. You're going to cream it until it becomes light and fluffy. You see, it becomes light and fluffy and it's falling from the spoon. That's all you need, your butter and sugar to be looking. In our next bowl, we will be combining the flour, your baking powder, your mixed spice, and the cinnamon powder, and sieve all together. You're gonna add the breadcrumbs in. I'm just gonna mix it up. And ½ teaspoon of salt. ½ teaspoon of salt. So 4 eggs, and we're breaking our eggs down. So this is it, your cream butter and sugar. And you're gonna add the beaten eggs to it. You're gonna add the vanilla, rose water, and almond. The lime, you're going to grate the lime to get the zest. So this is zest from the lime. You're going to add it. I'm using half of the lime, the same lime that you grate to get the zest from. Just like 2 teaspoons of the lime juice. Exactly 2 teaspoons. You see? I'm just gonna mix it up. Mix everything together. I'm just gonna remove some of my mixed fruit. I'm not using all this mixed fruit. I'm soaking it to make more cake. And you're gonna add it in. Now we're gonna add the flour in. Just gonna mix it up. Here I'm adding the wine and some rum. You don't have to use wine or rum in the cake. But for Christmas, without a little wine and a little rum, it's like you have no cake whatsoever. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you like what you see, please subscribe, like and share the video. Share it with your friend, a friend of a friend, friend of a friend, and hit that notification bell so you will always be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. Also, I appreciate you leave a SSS. You know what is SSS? Short, sweet, and spicy comment. And let me know where you're watching this video from, guys. I'm gonna use the mixer, a hand mixer, to mix it up. You're just gonna place the mixer in and you're gonna begin at a very, very low speed. And I just want to mix it for 1 minute. What I did, I just place the pan on top of it just like this and get a round circle and just cut it round just to fit inside. You're going to place it inside the baking pan. I have some butter here. I'm just gonna grease the pan. So this is the texture that you want your cake to have. And now we're gonna pour it out in our baking tin. You don't want to carry your baking tin to the top. You have to leave space in it so when it rises, it has space to rise. So this is just enough for my baking tin. Nothing left over. You just want to tap on it to release any air bubbles. And now we're going to place in the oven at 300 degrees. And it's going to bake for 2 hours or 2.5 hours. I normally like to put some water inside the oven too. So I'm just going to catch some water and put inside. And it takes 2 to 2.5 hours to bake, or until you insert a toothpick and it came out dry. So guys, our Christmas fruit cake is now ready, and it's already cooled and everything. You have to let it cool. It takes 2 hours and 20 minutes to bake in the oven. And I will be taking it out now from the tin. Look at this, guys. So you take it from the tin and we're going to remove the wax paper. Ensure you remove the wax paper. We're just going to spin it back over. Center it in a plate. This is some powder sugar. I'm gonna put it in the sieve, just a little. I'm just gonna place out a cherry right in the middle, just like that. Press it in. I wanna press it down. So beautiful people, our cake is baked. Christmas fruit cake. Ain't it looking delicious and mouth watering? So why not? Why not? Give it a try. I know you will love it. And I thank you beautiful people for watching. Just remember to take care of yourself and above all, be our brother's keeper. We have to take care of each and every one. I thank you all. I love you. And please stay tuned. Peace.